we're here at the Circle Windrush Centre and really celebrating what Windrush actually means and what it has brought for every single one of us here in Newport and in the vast communities around Wales and the UK as well.
So the Windrush Generation sparked an immigration that came into this country that at times was viewed very negatively, but I think it's important that days like today sort of puts an evidence base behind why those people came here, the benefits that the country had from them being here, and the way that they integrated into British society and how they've left a legacy of music, dance, food, culture, which has all contribute to the British society that we've got today.
Fully agree. And on those contributions, this is why we can only contribute by having our space and our doors being open for our communities, our elders, our young people to come in, to have some of that food, to listen to some of that music, to watch some of those films and see some of that culture as well.
Sometimes what's disappointing is you walk around, you talk to young people and you mention the Windrush Generation and they're not aware of them. So I think we can't let that slip away. We've got to make sure that the generations that come now remember how it all began and the legacy that generation has left behind.